trunk. The fairy, the fairy. Wings so light and full of cheer, sprinkling magic far and near. Choo-choo-choo, glasses us, choo-choo-choo, glasses. On your nose to help you see books and bugs and bumblebees. Hand and hand. Clap them high and clap them low. Wave hello wherever you go. I eat the glue. I eat the glue. Cold and cozy made of snow, where little penguins like to go. Jelly, jelly. Wiggle wobble, mousy fun, let's eat jelly in the sun. Keyboard, kick and tap, let's play a song. Typing words all day long. A ladybug, a ladybug, a ladybug. Tiny dots and flying free, hiding under a green leaf tree. Monkey, monkey. Swinging up from tree to tree, making silly sounds with me. Needle, needle. Sharp and thin, it helps to sew. Up and down the stitches go. Orange, orange. Juicy circles full of sun, peel and eat. Oh, what fun! Pony, pony. Gallop fast across the ground, neighing loud with clip-clop sound. Queen. Crown and throne in royal grace, smiling from her palace place. A rainbow, a rainbow. Colors stretch across the sky, red to violet, way up high. Spider, spider. Creeping slow on tiny toes, spinning webs where no one knows. Tiger, tiger. Orange fur with stripes so bold, roar so loud and brave and bold. You, umbrella, you, umbrella. Open wide to block the rain, drip drop sounds on window pane. Beep, bio, doo-doo, beep, bio, quellen. Bow goes up and bow goes down, making such a lovely sound. Double whale. Splashing waves with mighty tail, sings a song across the veil. Xylophone, xylophone. Ding, 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 what fun to hear. Music bright and crystal clear. Yai, why, yo, wah. Yai, why, yo. Up it goes and down it spins. Round and round the fun begins. See, zebra. See, zebra.